Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Do you see my face? It's because it's 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. at dawn, and this is the time I finally have to do this cornrow for the first time. Try this cornrow. Do my hair. So I washed it and tried straightening it last 2 days. I wanted to do the cornrows yesterday, but I didn't get a chance. So let me show you what I'm working with. So I have my wash bottles, my section pins of clips, my comb, and shea butter. So let's see if I can do this. I'm just doing cornrow for my wigs basically, but this the first time I'm trying to braid it to myself. I've made attempts, but it's not easy. So this time around I'm trying to get to perfection. So let's start. First of all, I'll unbraid this. Onto the first pattern. So this is the first part. It's hard. Oh shh. I'm going to add shea butter to dry, and it will help soften it too. So let's start the first cornrow. I've watched a lot of tutorials. I don't know how I'm going to show you people. Okay. See? Where is it? This part is loose. I'll leave it like that. It's just cornrow for wig. Let me comb the tips small. And then all done. We go again. This hurts so much. Shea butter. Lock that moisture in. Lock it in. Let me come close and hopefully you guys can see. I know the tape, it will be very difficult for you guys to see. When I get to the back, they have freestyle on Guam. Do back and I know what I'm saying. So difficult. But I see. Can you find the rest of the hair? Yes, so Charlie, I don't want this video to be 1,000 hours long, so I'm going to do some, and then when I'm almost done, I'll come in again. So see ya. Have done. This to go. The back is nothing to write home about, but that's not a concern. I started around 3 something. I think I mentioned earlier, I've forgotten, and now see the time. And that's just half done. But to be fair, I paused to go and do something. So far I'm loving it. Okay, hey, where has this part gone to? Let's finish with this last one. Shea butter. Close out. Start it. You cut a piece of it in the front, and then you cut a third one with this hand, with this finger. You cut a third one like this. Right, so this is the third one. Then you hold it like this. Then you move. This is the third one. Second one. This is the second one. So this is the first one. So you hold it like this and then you use this one to grab the second one. I don't know how to explain the rest. So I think you should just watch. Okay, so my hands are hurting, so I'm going to braid from the top. I learned all of this through imagination. Imagining how I can be crisscrossing my hair to get that braided look. That's the power of the brain, and braiding from the top is the easiest. Those who teach are doing well, because Charlie, I don't even know how to explain for someone to get it, but I promise if any of you is interested, I would sit down and figure out how to do it and then make a video on it. Can be done, so I can do it. I'm trying to show the back, but I doubt you will see it. Just braiding the tip, just braiding the tip, just braiding the tip. Okay. Hey. Me say, any no dear. Upon me home then. Me chireno. 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 Me fe chireno and chira. Wow. Big granny. This is the back. Okay, so let me tag it in. Okay, let's go. Done. Up close look. It's not bad for a beginner, right? Eco styler. Okay guys, all done. I love the outcome. How did I do? Rate me in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to share my videos and put on your post notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you all.